Hello everyone, this is Bobby and Magnus Eklund. We're happy to present to you this wonderful email with loads of information about our upcoming workshops this fall, as well as the Synergetic Structural Integration School that begins next February. Yay! You guys, I started out, both of us actually started out in the 90s, and eventually I had a massage school of my own, and Magnus went on to go to the advanced training with the Guild. So between the two of us, we've really cultivated what's going to be a wonderful experience for everyone. You know, with massage students, when I was teaching, they knew nothing, yet they had a passion. And that's what I believe we all have, is this passion to do well in our industry, to do well for ourselves, to feel good, and to help other people feel good. So that is what we are going to present to you guys. And with Magnus's leadership here, it's really going to be an amazing venture.
Yes, when I finished massage school in the early 90s, I really did not have a clue as to what to do. And I found teachers, I've had some great mentors, I've studied with some of the best teachers in the world. And now I'm very excited to share all this information and knowledge that I've learned along the way. My lineage goes all the way back to Dr. Ryder Rolf. We teach advanced myofascial techniques, we teach structural integration. We have some great workshops coming up this fall, and also an advanced training starting in February in Birmingham next year. So we'll hope to see you in class. And please go to our website and check out testimonials from some of our previous students.
Bye.
Bye.